Hello friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we talk about wild animals! This is a lion, he is the girl of the beast. This is a zebra, she loves to eat grass. This is a toucan, he loves to eat berries and fly. This is a monkey, she loves to eat bananas and swing on vines. It is an ostrich, it has wings but it cannot fly. This panda is the funniest of bear. This is a bear, he loves to scare people. This is a penguin, he loves to swim. This is a deer, he delivers Christmas present and helps Santa. Today we learned a lot of new animals. I hope you had fun and see you in the next videos.